Hey guys, Alex here. I have a new update with the respirator machine. We've done some improvements, added the Venturi flow meter that we printed to check the pressure and the volume of the air. So this is how it looks so far. Here we set it at 20 centimeters H2O. And this is the interface that I created to control the machine. So you can see here the pressure, and here it will be the volume. It still needs to be calibrated, this one, for the volume. We're waiting for a device that will allow us to check accurately what's the volume of the machine, and then we will be able to change the settings here. So if we want 24 and 13, click set it, and then it starts working. So if I change the volume, you will see it updating as well. And we also added a device that gets the pulse and the oxygen in the blood. It still needs to have a case so it goes around the finger and stays there properly, because if I move it, it's making some different values. But it's great that it gives you some data, and if it's needed to install lots of these machines, you'll also need to know the heart rate and the level of oxygen in the blood. So that's about it with this update. We're hoping it's useful for you, and if you want to get access to the code for the interface and for the teensy controller, you can find the link for the GitHub in the description of this video. The software is written in Python, and it can be compiled to work on different devices. We're planning to add it on a Raspberry Pi with a small 7-inch screen, and have that for each device monitoring patients' vitals, signs, and also the pressure of the machines and volume and stuff like that. So let me know what your opinion is on this. What do you think is the most important part of this machine, and if there are any ideas on how to improve it or how to get it, I don't know, more precisely, what kind of way we could measure the volume, for example, to get a proper read and stuff like that. Let me know, and we'll keep in touch. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Alex.